Operation manual of automatic hydraulic rubber packing machine. A wiring diagram is glued behind the electric control box door. According to the wiring diagram, connect the electric control box to the small electric box of the hydraulic station. Rotate to open the emergency stop. Press motor on. Motor running. Put rubber material. Rubber material in left box. Press turn right. Put the rubber material in right box. Press auto. Semi-auto mode. Turn semi-automatic of black button. Turn it left if the box needs to move to the left, and vice versa. Semi-auto turn right. In the semi-automatic mode, every time the box moves to the left or right, need to turn the semi-auto button to the left or right. Automatic operation mode. Press L cylinder. Automatic mode is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Press Enter to select use. Press reposition. Press full automatic start button. Then put the rubber material for pressing. In automatic mode, press manual or pause to stop the equipment. Press Manufacturer. Use the arrow to select language selection. Press Enter to select Chinese or English. Automatic mode turns to semi-auto mode. Press L cylinder. Bottom of display shows automatic. Choose not use. Stop equipment. Press motor off. Press emergency stop. Thanks for watching. Zhanjiang Weida machinery, worthy of your trust.